Good morning. It's 8:30 and tonight I was to Yfke and she did have poop, so that's good. And this morning I was on the camera when I was awake and I saw her lay down a lot. And now she laid again. So I called the vet again and she's coming. There. That's okay. But what's going on? Her temperature is good now. Yesterday it was too high. Now it's good, but not totally okay. Now she's eating a bit, but not too much. Don't give her too much, but always something going on. Oh, that's what I mean. Thank God the vet is coming. Come. I bring them outside again. No, that one. Hey. Nee, ophouden. Yes. Nee. Kom. Kom. That came out, so that's okay, but it's not a lot. No. Come on. Come. Oh, doe nou. Rijntje. Hey. En buikje. I'm a little bit done with it. I hope you understand. The vet just came by and gave her the darm relaxation again, and I thought she has to move here, but I thought she don't have to eat. So Mathilde said you have to wear the grass mask, and I think it's perfect, so she can't eat. Hey, you have to be better. And when it's not good, within 2 or 3 hours, I go to the clinic again. I'm really done with it. Next problem. Reisi hit his front leg. Altijd wel wat. Korallen, bellen, Sally en Blomke. Finally they can go outside again in the pasture. Hey Bella. Hey Bella. Yfke. And Yfke can have some grass. At this moment she's doing fine. So I hope this was it. Hey. Yfke en Boukje. Sisters. Yfke. A little bit. Hey. No. I called the vet again.
Dit is allemaal diarree die ze voor.
Oké.
Het waterige.
Dan doen we het nekverbandje rond. Even lang. Zo.
Ja, Yfke.